Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you. I bring for you beautiful, nice cornrows. So if you want to choose any style on this video, I suggest to watch this video up to end so that you can choose anything you want. Okay guys, so just on this video I bring for you a lot of different styles. Okay guys, so guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this video, and God bless you, the person who going to watch my video, who going to subscribe my video, who going to like my video. God bless you more. Enjoy this video up to end. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and another thing you can share.